Hi again, I'm Mary. Earlier, I showed us how to get an account number, and now we're going to be doing transfers. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send money from your accounts and how to do a wallet to wallet transaction. So, let's get right into it. First, we're going to wallet, and then we're going to go to transfer. And so I've already sent money to this account. So when I did that, I saved this as a beneficiary. And usually you will see the recent transactions right here. So I'm going to put an amount. Let's say I'm sending 2,000 and I'm going to type in the bank I'm sending to, which is GT Bank. And then I'm going to put in the account number. This is assuming this is my first transaction, right? Because I already have the account number here. And this is it. This is what we have here. And the full name comes up, and you have a choice of saving it as beneficiary or not. And then we proceed and transfer. Then you put in your transaction PIN. 5. Yeah. Put in your transaction PIN and voila. And that's it. So now we're going to do a transfer from wallet to wallet transaction, which is Kuleanpay wallet to another Kuleanpay wallet. And to do that, all you need is just a phone number. So I'll be getting the phone number that I will use. This is the phone number I will use. Okay, so this is the amount you want to send. Type in the phone number and proceed. Okay, and that's it.